chapter number 18, and the name of the chapter is solid shapes. So already you have learned in earlier classes about 2D shapes. 2D shape means two measurements are there. One is length and one is breadth, like rectangle, square. And in this video we will discuss about 3D shapes. 3D shape means 3 dimensions. So means 3 measurements are there. One is length, breadth and height. So look at this picture. In this picture all shapes are 3D shapes. So now we will discuss these shapes one by one. So first I have cuboid and cube. So what is cuboid and cube? So firstly, what is cuboid? So look at this picture. This is cuboid. So now we will discuss about faces, vertex and edges. So faces means these one. So how many faces are there in cuboid? One this front and one this at back, 2 and one is at left side, one is at right side, 4 and one is below and one is at upper. So 6 faces are there. So how many faces? 6 faces. And vertex means these corner points, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertex are there? 8. So write here 8. Edges means these line segments which are joining by two vertex. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges are there? 12. Yes. Look at this cuboid. How many faces are there? 1. This one. 2, 3. This one 4, 5 and 6. So how many faces are there? 6. And vertex means corner point. So 1, 2, these 3 and 4. So 4 at upper, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertex are there? 8. Now edges means these line segments, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for these 5, 6, 7, 8, this one 9 and 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges are there? 12. Yes, now what is cube? Cube is same as cuboid, right? So what is the difference between cuboid and cube? The difference is only this, that cuboid faces are made of rectangles and cube faces are square. So all faces of cube will be square. So only this is the difference between the cuboid and cube. So let's come to next shape. Yes, let's come to next shape, and the next shape is cylinder and cone. So firstly we will discuss about cylinder. So what is cylinder? So this figure is of cylinder. So how many faces are there? One is this curved face and 2 these flat faces. So how many faces? One is curved face and 2 flat surfaces. So examples can be cylinder of pencil also, right? So look at this picture. These all sub shapes of cylinder. So now let's come to cone. So what is cone and how many faces are there? So this shape is of cone. We can take example of birthday cap also. So how many faces are there? One is this and one is this. So this one flat and this is curved face. So one curved face and one flat surface. So look at this example. These all are examples of cone. Yes, next is prism and pyramid. So what is prism and pyramid and what is the difference between these shapes? So let's see. A prism is formed by two parallel congruent polygonal faces called bases connected by faces that are parallelograms. Means in prism there are two bases and which are connected by parallelograms. And what is pyramid? A pyramid is formed by a polygonal base and a triangular faces that meet at corner vertex. And in pyramid there is only one base. In prism there are two bases are there and they are connected with parallelograms, and in pyramid only one base is there and all triangles are meet at one vertex. So you can see this example and this. So this is triangular prism. So there are two bases, means one base is here and one is at upper. So two bases are connected by these parallelograms. And in triangular pyramid only one base is there and these triangles meet at one vertex. So this is the difference between triangular prism and triangular pyramid. So in this shape you are looking at triangular prism and triangular pyramid. Yes, how many faces, vertex and edges are there? So let's count. Firstly, how many faces are here? Faces. So one is this square base and one is this triangle at left and one triangle is at right and one is at back and one is at front. So how many faces are there? 4 triangles and one is this square base. So 5 faces are here and vertex. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and one is at upper. So 5 vertex are here and edges means these line segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides of square and 4 these which are meeting at vertex. So how many edges are here? 8, right? Now let's come to next. Yes, let's come to next topic, that is Euler's formula. So what is Euler's formula? Leonhard Euler, a famous mathematician who discovered this formula. So this formula shows the relationship between faces, edges and vertex. So what is the formula? F plus V minus E equals to 2. Means firstly you will add faces and vertex and subtract edges. So their difference will be equals to 2. So we can take examples of square pyramid. In last question we discussed about faces, vertex and edges of square pyramid. So faces were 5, vertex also 5 and edges were 8, right? So we can put this in this formula. So faces 5, vertex also 5 and edges minus 8. So 5 plus 5, 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So 2 equals to. So means we can put this formula in every shape and we can verify our sum with this formula. So let's come to next question. Yes, let's start. First question. Fill in the blank and name a solid that has 4 faces. So in which shape there are 4 faces? Now we discussed about triangular pyramid. So 4 faces were there. One is triangle and 3 triangular faces which are meeting at one vertex. So 4 faces were there and 4 vertex were there. Means 4 faces means triangular pyramid. And 4 vertex also there in triangular pyramid. Next is 2 edges. So in which shape there were 2 edges? In cylinder we discussed. So answer of this question is cylinder. Yes, next is 6 vertices. So remind in which shape we discussed about 6 vertices, that is triangular prism. So how many vertices were there? In 6. So answer of this question is triangular prism. Next is no edges. So no edges in which shape there are? So that is sphere. In sphere, no edges is there. So answer of this question is sphere. Next is 6 faces. So we discussed about cuboid and cube. 6 faces were there. So answer of this question is cube and cuboid. This was the first question. Let's come to next question. This last question is, if f equals to 6, v equals to 4, then value of e using Euler's formula. So you have to find the value of e. So let's take f plus v minus e equals to 2. So already we know about Euler's formula. So faces means 6 plus vertices 4 minus e equals to 2. So 6 plus 4 we have 10 minus e equals to 2. So you have to find this e. So shift this e at the right side and 2 at the left side. So 10, this 2 is here, minus 2 equals to e. So 10 minus 2 equals to 8. So e equals to, so means option B is correct here. So this was about the solid shapes. I hope it is clear to everyone. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Thank you and keep watching Maths with Mummy.